Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials in place. Install Pydroid 3 and grant storage and microphone permissions if needed. Once done, open the built-in package manager and install pip plus any core libraries like NumPy and Matplotlib so your scripts run. Make sure to enable terminal or external keyboard support in settings for faster typing. This speeds debugging. You're not preparing a desktop, you're optimizing a phone for coding, so prioritize packages and input methods that match your workflow. Now you write and execute. Open the editor, create a new Py file and save it where Pydroid can access it. Type your code, then either tap Run or switch to the terminal and run Python 3 file name. Py to see output and errors in real time. If you need extra packages, use pip inside Pydroid's shell. This ensures compatibility. Once you see an error, read the traceback, fix the line, and rerun. Iterative edits are faster than massive rewrites. To finish, debug and package. Add print statements or logging to inspect variables, then rerun until the behavior matches expectations. When ready to share, export your code files or use Pydroid's build tools to create APKs for Android. Verify dependencies are bundled. If something breaks, start with cache clear and package reinstall and confirm library versions. Mismatches are common. Finally, test on another device. That confirms the app works outside your development environment and avoids surprises.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.